Welcome to Snow City Mysore, a place where the temperature drops to almost minus 10 degrees Celsius. Before entering, everyone is given warm jackets, gloves, and snow boots, all perfectly sanitized and included in the ticket price. The moment you step inside, you're surrounded by snow, sparkling white everywhere, and that instant chill that makes it feel like you've entered a mini North Pole. One of the most eye-catching attractions inside Snow City is the igloo. Built entirely out of ice, it gives you a real glimpse of how people in polar regions live. It's beautifully lit inside, making it a perfect spot for photos and a fun little escape from the snow fights outside. Next comes the most exciting part, the ice slide. Completely made of snow and ice, it's long, smooth, and full of thrill.
Let's see.
You grab a tube, climb to the top, and slide all the way down. Screaming, laughing, and freezing at the same time. It's pure fun and definitely a must-try experience for everyone visiting Snow City. We had a great time playing with the snow, throwing snowballs and just enjoying the icy atmosphere. We also took some lovely photos in front of the igloo, a perfect way to capture these fun frozen memories. Before leaving, we took some fun pictures on the jet ski placed inside Snow City, a perfect photo spot and a nice way to end our snowy adventure. We spent some more time enjoying the chill and the playful atmosphere inside and then finally stepped out, ready for our next destination, Aqua World.